As a matter of fact, installing wheel spacers is one of the easiest and simplest ways to boost handling. The before and after effect is obvious. By increasing the track width, the contact point of tires are expanded, which results in more stability and smoothness. These 5x120 wheel spacers also improve the rollover resistance. A car with perfect handling gives significance to the driver and makes the driver safe and enjoyable. For performance upgrade, changing to aftermarket suspension components that improve handling is often possible. Adding BMW 5x120 spacers means more inner wheel clearance. This is effective in accommodating bigger suspension parts. In other words, this allows rim spacers to add more clearance to avoid potential tire rubbing. Many people seek better handling. Indeed, a good set of 5x120 wheel spacers bring your BMW E60 performance to a higher level. Are 5x120 wheel spacers safe at high speed? Yes, the BMW E60 5x120 wheel spacers are safe for higher weight driving. Make sure they are hub-centric spacers instead of block-centric spacers. The main reason for this is that hub-centric spacers come with precise hub-centric ring to ensure that your wheels are properly centered and fastened. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. These designs allow the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Thus, it is important to get hub-centric 5x120 wheel spacers for the best handling and your own safety. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacers is the lightweight plus feature. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of the BONOSS wheel spacers means that the whole design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Overall, high-quality wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality wheel spacers will enhance ride quality.